Hi everybody, today we are loading and packing a pod's portable container. We start by placing some items between the vertical wood beams of the container. This optimizes space usage. Next we start bringing larger items. We place a headboard between a mattress and a box spring. We try as much as possible to build complete walls using all the vertical space. We leave a few inches of empty space before the roof. Pods are stacked in their warehouse. If items are too close to the roof, they can be crushed in the process. A dresser is positioned. It will be used as a base for two small TVs. We bring in a dresser on its side to match the available space gap. Although the dresser is wrapped, we cover the floor with cardboard. This will prevent damage to the edge of the dresser when you drag it on the floor to position it. A second headboard is used to lock the TVs in. We bring in a very fragile small cabinet with a special appliance dolly. For extra protection, we tie down the load in layers. A big couch is brought in, positioned vertically and also tied down. The last items are brought in. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Your thumbs up is much appreciated. God bless America.